Travelista ako. Tara na, Coach Arm Lubaton is here in Barangay Tingib, Pandan Antique para lamang bisitahin ng isang destinasyon na dito sa Pandan Antique kung walang iba kundi yung Antique Amor, Bungalows and Villas. So talagang pinupuntahan po ito ng ating mga kababayan, no? Ng karatig kababayan ng Antique, no? Pandan Antique. So ating alamin kung ano po yung meron sa Antique Amor. And also, we are going to interview the owner and the manager para malaman natin what inspired, no? Bakit tinayo yung Antique Amor. And also, malaman natin kung ano pa yung mga services and other activities na pwede natin gawin sa loob. Once again, samahan niyo po ako. This is Coach RM Lubaton, your travelista ako. Tara na. Travelista ako, tara na. Pao talagang binisita natin yung Antique Amor from Boracay, no? Very easy lang to come here. Sumakay lang ako ng van, and then tricycle. After 20 minutes to 25 minutes, I'm here. And then surprisingly, nakita ko sobrang ganda ng feeling. So kasama ko ngayon yung may-ari ng Antique Amor, Miss Ernst. Miss Ernst, before we start, would you please batiin muna natin yung ating mga tagapanood?
Good morning, everyone. Welcome, RM, here in Antique Amor. We are so honored you are here. Malipayang gid kaming we show to everyone how Antique Amor, Bungalows and Villas looks like now.
Wow. Alam mo, way back, I think pandemic time ba yun? Nakapunta na ako dito eh. Parang it was so empty. Parang hindi ko pa na-imagine kung ano yung maging mukha ng lugar na ito. That's why kanina, Mr. while coming here, sabi ko, oh, ang ganda na, very organized. Tapos nakita ko yung pool, maayos na. Yung mga villas, sabi ko, wow. Sabi ko talagang, pag pumasok ka dito, feeling mo sosyalan ka na nakapag-relax. Yung parang ganon.
Yes, yeah.
Mr. alam natin, no, na you have Amor apartments, no, in Boracay. What is the main reason why putting up another Amor or Antique Amor here in Antique? Would you please give us a little background of ano ba talaga, bakit, no? Why pwede naman Boracay, yes.
Actually, we don't have plan to have another Amor. And then the reason why I found this place, I'm looking for a stone.
Stone.
I'm looking for a stone for our landscape. So we were driving a moto with our landscaper, Rafael Ong, that's our landscaper from Malay. We go with the moto around and then we drop by somewhere in Libertad.
Oh yeah, dito
and then I found the stone. And then we go around. And then that night we say, what if we stayed one more night? And then I said, I see the rice field, the scenery is so nice, it's so peaceful and quiet.
Yeah, totoo yun.
And then accidentally, we know somebody, ay ma, may binibenta dong lupa.
Oh,
wow. So we met this guy, and then the next day we were here. This is just a jungle, stones everywhere. It's just a jungle. And then we bought the property 2017-18. And it's installment. We don't have the money before to buy the whole place. So we bought the property piece by piece and slowly. So we have it fully paid 2019, I think, 2019. And then, di ba 2019, 20, the COVID pandemic. So we don't have plan to do something in Antique at the moment because we already have crisis in Boracay, how our staff can survive and like that. But then I say, but what will happen to our staff? The family has no food.
Totoo yun.
So what we did is, we make a plan. We continue. Drawing lang to eh. Before we leave to Switzerland, we only have a stick. All these are all with a stick.
Okay.
And then we talk to our manager and then the engineers. We say, we will find a way. We will continue the construction. So, inutang namin yung construction supplies. And then we pay it every week or every 2 weeks.
Wow.
And then we plan to bring here all the materials because they cannot go out, diba? Pandemic. So we talk to the captain and they deliver the materials. And all our staff is like they are in a jail here.
So sila ang manpower.
They are the manpower here. So they cannot go out. So I said, so we just give them work. So what we did is in Boracay, we make also half of the work. So luckily we have long term. It's an apartment. So our workers, they work 2 weeks and they have holiday 2 weeks. So they have 2 weeks salary. But mostly of our workers, they don't go home because in Boracay Amor, they have free food and like that. So they just send their salary away to their family. And then what we did in Switzerland is, I have also the long-term apartments. I make it as holiday apartment.
Wow. So in Switzerland,
I convert it to holiday apartment. So I have more income. And then we gather all this income. We send it every month here.
Kumbaga pa doon yung ano.
So
yung piggy bank nandoon.
So I send it here.
Wow.
So what we did is, I do the cleaning in Switzerland. I do the cleaning.
So wala kayong staff? Kayo lang?
It's only me. Wow. It's only me and my husband. It's my husband who pick up the guests in the train station and bring it up in our chalet. So we have five big apartments and 1 chalet for rent.
Wow.
And we are fully booked in Switzerland. Check in, check out. So I'm a cleaning lady, I'm the manager, I do the marketing.
All in one.
I do all this. And then after the pandemic, after 2 years, when we came back, this is done.
Wow. Ms. Ernst, naniniwala ka ba na if you are good to other people, yung pagkamabait mo sa kanila, bumabalik sa iyo unexpectedly.
You don't even notice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, parang yun na nangyari sa iyo. Pero you are very a hard worker person, no? Nag-met siguro kayo ng husband mo kasi bagay kayo, no? Kumbaga pa yung iniisip ninyo, like yung plano ninyo, Yung parang kasi sabi nga nila, no, if you have a partner na hindi malang nagkakasundo ang mga iniisip, you cannot really build a beautiful place or a beautiful structure.
That's true.
It needs a give and take.
Yeah, I'm very lucky with my husband. He's the one for the technique. I do the budgeting, and then I do the office work. And luckily, he just let me use the money according to it helps for the stuff. So the purpose actually of Boracay Amor is not to really to have a business. It's only for us to have a retreat. When it's okay in Boracay, we go to Antique, we can relax.
So you gusto ko i-highlight yun retreat. No? Kumaga pa after the hard work na ginawa mo sa buhay mo, pagtulong sa ibang tao. So ibig sabihin, you consider this as your retirement place.
Yes.
Napakaganda naman nito ng pag-retirement. Pangarap to ng lahat.
We have, diba? All in all, it's 4 hectares. That's why when you get in the property, it's a private road. When you get into the property, it's like a forest. Diba? And then when you get into the beach, I said, wow, this is a different place.
Yeah.
So we move also the villas and the bungalows according to the trees. We don't cut trees. So that's why we move like this. And we have a villa there, the new one. You don't notice there's a villa. It's surrounded by the trees.
So kumaga pa, hindi kayo nagputol ng kahoy kasi you wanted to blend it with the environment, with the nature. Napakaganda kasi nga, pag sa kwarto, no, mamaya ipakita natin to kasi I'm going also to interview your manager, Jonah. And pag-usapan naman namin yung details, no, ng mga kwarto kasi I'm so happy and privileged, no, having Antique Amor, no, to be part of Antique Amor na napakaganda kasi paglabas mo ng kwarto, dagat na.
Yeah.
Tapos siguro masarap siguro dito na naglalakad ka diyan sa dagat na yan, tapos yung dapya ng what is dapya? Yung wave,
yung parang hapyo.
Yes.
Ano nga ba yun? Haplos.
I also have another question. Maybe this is the I have last two ha.
Okay.
So this is the last the last one, then the other one. Do you also open Antique Amor for investors? Kasi parang ako personally nakita ko yung opportunity na wow, if mag-invest ako dito, I can also have the ROI, you know?
Yes, yeah. That's actually now the second thought we are doing now. We have many inquiries if we are selling villas.
Wow.
So now we will build the first villa with a swimming pool, private pool with jacuzzi.
Wow.
Beachfront. So we are starting to build in February.
Next year na.
And then we will start to sell.
Wow.
Per villa.
Ay, gusto ko.
So this is ROI actually, because here it's not only about business. You have your own place, you can relax. At the same time, when you're away, you can rent it out.
Totoo.
It's not bad.
So parang nakita ko doon na, alam mo, sa edad ko na to, no, sa ating mga katravelista ako, na mga followers, no, nakita ko, health is wealth. No? Hindi lang ito, it is not about investing or buying a villa.
Yeah.
It's all about taking care of yourself.
And also the money you work hard for.
Yeah. And you're such a very simple woman. No?
Oh my God. We don't need so much in this world, RM.
Why choosing being simple when it comes to looks? Then, siyempre, sabihin natin, millionaire ka na, no? Ibang mga tao dyan kasi they wanted na when people will see them, recognize agad sila na,
money.
Di ba? May pera agad sila. Why choosing being having that simple look? You're a very business-minded person, very loving mother, mother of Amor, no? Why choosing that very simple look?
Yes, for me, it's we don't need so much in this world, actually. Sa totoo lang. So we only need to eat 3 times a day. You need time to exercise. And these things that we are wearing, as long it's okay, the best is you feel comfortable of what you are wearing.
Right. Yeah.
And the more you are showing the material things you have, it's a stress.
Totoo.
It's a stress. You have a lot of baggage in your back, and then I have to do this because people will see me. I have to look like this. No, I don't like it. So for me, I spend more time actually with my staff, with my family. So I spend also time for my husband, for myself. I spend time for myself. So it's the reality of life actually is it's not about you have a lot of money. That's not how it is actually. It's I don't see myself as a millionaire.
It is not all about the millions, no? Kasi magiging baggage lang. It's all about simplicity.
It's about simplicity. Yes. Contentment, actually.
Yeah, kung maging
contentment. Yeah. Because all these material things, when you are dead, as what the old people say, you cannot bring it with you. Which is also sometimes it's naive. Pero for me, you cannot bring it with you, but at least you left behind for somebody.
Totoo yan.
So, for example, you have a lot of money now. It doesn't mean you have to use it now. If you have a family you love, then you have something left behind that they have a good life.
Totoo,
so they have something, a capital, they have something to work on for. So it's not about you have a lot of money, you have to show it that I have a lot. That's not the way.
Totoo yun. Kasi dapat supportahan mo rin yung family mo, staff people around you, love.
You have to sustain it.
Minsan, Amor, ibig sabihin is love.
Yeah.
What would you please give us a tip, no, sa ating mga tagapanood, no, about talking about love and a relationship, no, having a husband, a responsible husband, no, pwede ka magbigay ng kahit ilang phrases lang, no, for them about amor, relationship, business. and people?
Love actually it describes for every sectors eh. So it does for example, for me, yung love kasi it starts within you.
Yeah.
So if you love yourself first, totally, then you know how to love the people around you.
Oh.
So ang kaakibat also noon is respect.
Yeah.
Respect. And then after that is discipline and hard work. All this follows. But then love really is it's not selfish.
Yeah.
It's about sharing.
Yeah.
It's about sacrificing actually. It's about sacrificing. Because when we build a more, I sacrifice my time to my daughter. We sacrifice a lot of time with my husband. But it's worth it because everybody has a piece of something on the cake.
Yeah.
Everybody works, everybody contribute, everybody is happy, and it's not about selfishness actually. It's about sharing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kumbaga pa, love is a peaceful sacrifice.
Yes,
And then in order for you to achieve your goal in life, in relationship, you have to feel the love.
Yes, yeah.
And you guys, you have to visit Amor because the love is in here. Mr. Maraming salamat
Thank you so much, RM.
sa opportunity na na-interview kita. Really a privilege. Salamat
Thank you for listening. Thank you, RM. I'm very honored. Thank you.
Thank you po. Thank you
Thank
po.
you.
Travelista ako. Tara na, Coach RM Lubaton is here in Barangay Tingib, Pandan, Antique para lamang bisitahin ng isang destinasyon na dito sa Pandan, Antique kung walang iba kundi yung Antique Amor Bungalows and Villas. So talagang pinupuntahan po ito ng ating mga kababayan, no? Ng karatig kababayan ng Antique, no? Pandan, Antique. So ating alamin kung ano po yung meron sa Antique Amor. And also, we are going to interview the owner and the manager para malaman natin what inspired, no? Bakit tinayo yung Antique Amor. And also, malaman natin kung ano pa yung mga services and other activities na pwede natin gawin sa loob. Once again, samahan niyo po ako. This is Coach RM Lubaton, your travelista ako. Tara na. Ayun, sobrang nag-enjoy po ako sa kakaikot, no, dito sa buong Antique Amor. Natutuwa po ako sa mag-asawa kasi nga tawagan nila mi amore. 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 It means to love.
My love.
Parang mi amor. My love is mi amor. So, this area is full of love. Love for nature. Yung mga villas po nila. Kanina na nag-iikot kami sa bagong
Villa Mulave.
Villa Mulave nila. Sobrang ganda. Paakyat ka pa lang, mafe-feel mo na yung nature, mafe-feel mo na yung parang totoong nagbabakasyon ka, no? Makausap po ang manager ng Antique Amor, no? Kasi hindi po makukumpleto po yung ating travelista ko kung hindi tayo makapag-interview ng talagang nag-handle ng operations, no? Let's welcome po on screen. So kasama ko na ngayon, no? Miss Jonah, the manager of Antique Amor. Kumusta, Ma'am Jonah?
Okay naman, everything is smooth. Welcome back, RM.
Yes.
You know? If you remember, yung unang punta mo dito, we are still on the construction stage.
Oo,
Diba?
zero pa. Wala
So,
pang mga, ano yun, mga structure.
puro walang structure. So, I'm happy to welcome you back here.
Yeah, thank you
diba?
po.
Sa Antique
Oo.
Amor. So, ayun.
Actually, unahan na kita, no? Napakaganda kasi thank you so much sa kwarto na kung saan mo ako na-assign. Kasi parang ano rin siya, parang Amor Apartments din sa Boracay.
Yes.
Yung concept na sa labas, may couch, tapos yung kwarto nandun na sa loob. The aircon is very consistent. Ang hot shower is very consistent. Kapag naliligo ako, yun ang pinakagusto ko. Consistent po yung hot shower.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi pa pwede naliligo ka, tapos biglang lumamig. Di ba? So, isa yun, standard po yun sa akin, no? Ang hot shower.
As a travelista.
Yes, as travelista ako ay travel pero sa buong Pilipinas. Dami ko na nampuntahan gawa ng trabaho natin to present to you, no, our kung saan pwedeng pumunta, bagong pupuntahan. Kasi hindi lang naman Boracay yung pinupuntahan ng lahat eh. Hindi Guimaras, hindi Iloilo, hindi Cebu, hindi Manila. Meron din pala dito sa Antique. And yun nga, the full of love villas here in Antique Amor. Wala na, nag-intro lang po ako. Miss Jonah, no? Would you please introduce to us, no, sa ating mga televiewers and Facebook viewers about the feature of this beautiful place here in Antique Amor?
Yeah, so Antique Amor and Villas, actually we've started to really open this for public. No, 2 years ago, our grand opening is December also, 2 years ago. No, now we have 5 bungalows plus 1 suite, and then we have now 2 villas. Yung isa, pinasan ko sa'yo kanina, the Villa Molave. Maganda, no? That's really special. No? Nabagin mo kanina, our rooms is like Boracay because nakapunta ka na rin sa Boracay. So you know the layout of some of our suites. No, all the rooms here are equipped with kitchen, with living room, tapos separate yung bedroom, hot and cold shower. So all the amenities na hinahanap ng isang guest to relax, to really feel at home is also here in Antique Amor Bungalows and Villas. So if you really want to, you can stay longer as well because we have a kitchen. Yeah, we have also a restaurant now.
I tried also some of your food and amazing, you know. I really want to stay longer and try more. Ilan pala yung menu na tikman ko, no? And bukas, I'm so excited sa breakfast. Nung dumating ako, I tried the bangus, yung juiciness ng bangus, unlike to other, I don't want to compare, but the juiciness of bangus nandoon mismo. Ako very, very strict ako pag food. Sabi nga nila, arte mo naman, parang ang yaman mo. Pero totoo, kasi yun ang food kasi set ng mood ko. Yeah. No?
And when you travel, it's not just the room na pinupuntahan mo.
Yes.
Of course, you will also explore the food. You will try kung ano yung other offerings ng resort na pinagsistayhan mo. Other than the facilities and amenities, it's also plus point yung food na siniserve. If it's the quality.
Totoo yun.
And the range of the food.
Other than that, syempre, narinig ko rin, you have happy hour, you know.
Yeah, recently, actually last week, we introduced the happy hour.
Hindi siya all day.
Not all
Hindi
day.
pa. Hindi pa.
From 4 in the afternoon, you can come here in Antique Amor and Antique Amor Bungalows and Villas. We have a happy hour. And then every weekend, Saturday and Sunday, we have live acoustic session.
Wow.
No, magaling yung aming artist.
Gustong-gusto ko yan. Actually, yun kapag nag-chill kayo kasi harap mismo ng harap mismo ng tawag nito, ng dagat eh.
Yeah.
Tapos ito yung parang swimming pool. Alam mo yun, napaka-calm ng water, yung breeze, yung hangin, yun ang gusto ko. Saka naobserbahan ko lahat ng mga kwarto dito. Ano tawag nga? Bungalows, no?
Bungalows.
Lahat ng mga bungalow is facing
the sea.
sa sea.
Yes.
No, napakaganda.
Lahat may sea view.
Alam mo ba, I have a friend in they are always in Boracay. Kasi nga daw, bakit lagi ka dito? Sabi ko, sa real estate pala sila. Kapag mas maganda daw kasi na mas malapit ka sa dagat.
Oo, iba
kasi, alam mo yung ano yun, iba yung feeling, pero isa pa yun, nagki-cleanse daw yun ng malas. Alam mo yun, no? Para bumalik yung positive, ano. Okay, anyway, balik tayo dun sa, ano. Nakita ko lang yun because all your bungalows is facing the beach. Tapos, with the ground, no, napaka-greenery, yung coconut.
The palm trees, we really preserved it. Kung ilan yung puno na nakita mo before na pumunta ka dito, yan din yun.
So wala kayong pinutol? Wala
kang pinutol. Actually, nagdagdag kami. We planted additional coconut trees.
I also enjoy looking at the pool at the back of us. Kasi nga, nung pumunta ako dito, parang gingkut-kut pa.
Actually, oo.
Yung parang ano pa lang, yung lupa na wala pang semento.
So, eto na yon yung product ng hard work and teamwork of everybody. From the original Boracay Amor team, eto din yun yung eto yung collaboration namin. The Antique Amor Bungalows and Villas.
So, you believe na more heads is better than one?
Of course, diba? Of course. Collaboration and teamwork really is the key para mas lalong mapaganda yung isang project.
So, maliban dan, no, ano pa yung pwedeng gawin namin dito sa Antique Amor?
So, eto kasi yung gusto namin talagang i-promote is yung relaxation, rest and relaxation, the total rest and relaxation. Kasi after the busy day sa trabaho, you can come here, pagpasok mo pa lang, you can see the greeneries, the palm trees, diba? Parang, wow, ang sarap ng hangin. And then, you will, the sea will welcome you. Diba? So, iba yung feeling kasi, nakakakalma.
Parang nag-retreat ka. Tama yung sabi ni Miss Ernst na.
Parang, gusto mo mag-retreat, dito ka.
Totoo yan. And, gusto lang natin i-klaro yung distinction or pinagkaiba. Your property is not really for yung market niya, hindi tamang hindi siya mura, pero nasa mid-range and up siya. Kasi yung parang may touch of, yun nga sabi ko kanina, yung parang sosyalan na pagpasok mo, hindi siya ordinaryo kasi nga yung quality, yung equipment, yung materials na ginamit mo sa loob ng kwarto, kakaiba eh. I mean, may siya, may touch siya of, anong tawag nito?
It's we call it Swiss quality because our boss, of course, the owners are from Switzerland.
Na-mention din kanina ni Miss Ernst during the interview na na tawag nito. Meron din silang parang parentals doon sa Switzerland.
Yes, they have rental properties in Switzerland, holiday apartments, chalet, and meron din silang long-term for who really wants to stay longer. No?
So, unlike Boracay, there's a lot of island activities, land tour, yung mga ganon. So, what can I expect here in Amor?
Dito sa Antique Amor, we have our own dive site.
Wow.
No? We have our diving equipments.
Dito?
Dito mismo. Okay. So, sa harap mismo ng resort na to, nandito mismo yung diving site. So, ang ganda kasi hindi pa siya ganun ka-exploit. So, madami ka pang makikita underwater.
Wow.
Yan. Aside from that, of course, we have our swimming pool. It's free for all the guests who are staying here and sa mga day tourers because we also offer day tour.
Just to cut you, kanina nakita ako may tatlong doktor na pumasok, no? Akala ko nga kanina mag-check-in, yun pala walk-in.
Walk-in.
Wow. So, kung mag-walk-in ka dito, and then they're gonna ask to use the pool, okay.
Okay, as long as they pay. If you'll use the pool and other facilities, doon na papasok yung aming day tour package.
Okay. So, it means you also offer day tour package.
Yes.
Sige, ano-ano yung mga day tour packages mo?
Yung day tour package, it's 500 pesos per person, per adult actually. Sa 500 na yun, 300 pesos of that is consumable for food and drink. So, you can order anything.
Parang
free entrance na rin kasi you can use the pool, you can use the crystal kayak, you can explore the facilities and amenities around the resort.
Parang nag-ano ka lang pala. Parang wala ka rin ginastos. Parang kinain mo lang din. And then, I saw your menu hindi siya mahal. Yung parang sosyalan ka, pero pagdating kita ko ng menu, ha? Meron tig 180, 200, ano daw to? Sabi ko, sobrang affordable. So talagang, you welcome people with quality.
Yes, so and affordable yet the quality is there. Nandun pa rin yung standard namin. We want to maintain that standard pa rin. So, aside from day tourers, kung gusto lang nilang to dine in like the other 3 guys who walked in earlier, pwede silang mag-walk-in because our restaurant is open also for walk-ins. But kung grupo kayo, it's better na mag-reserve kayo para, of course, you have your table na para sa grupo ninyo, and then you can also do advance order na rin if you have the reservation.
Okay.
Yun yung maganda.
I-hit ko na lang to bago ko itanong yung mga sites or activity pa maliban dun sa diving and so on and so forth. Magtatanong pa ako ng iba. Pero where can they book, for example, kasi you mentioned reservation. Paano sila mag-book?
They can contact us through our Facebook page, Tiki Amor Bungalows and Villas. We also have the Instagram.
Oh, active kayo sa Instagram eh. Kita
Instagram and Facebook, we are active, no? Most of our bookings and inquiries, we get it from our social media pages.
Wow.
Also, you can contact us also in our WhatsApp. No, WhatsApp. So, yun. Kasi pag yung mobile number lang dito, medyo mahina yung signal. So, we encourage them to contact us via
Viber, WhatsApp,
Facebook, Instagram. Also, we have a website.
Ayun, mas maganda.
Mas maganda doon.
Do you also have landline here?
We don't have a landline. That's why if they want to call us, we encourage them to contact us via WhatsApp.
WhatsApp talaga.
Pwede din sila magtawag during
maybe we could plug the number na lang sa dito. Ano yung number ng WhatsApp?
WhatsApp is 0949-886-0024.
Ayun, so isusulat ko lang po dito ha. No. So, ayun, inuna ko na kung paano magpa-book. Kasi tatanong ko, maliban doon sa diving, ano pa yung pwede namin kasi siyempre minsan hindi lang kasi isang araw eh. Kasi isang araw mo ubos na dito eh. Paano kung gusto ko mag-extend pa? Ano pa yung mga activities na pwede kong gawin?
Situated kami beachfront. So you can do snorkeling. You can borrow our snorkeling gears here. Oo, pwede mong mahiram. Ayun, diving as I've mentioned. You can also do land tours.
Ano yung mga karatig dito?
Malapit dito. We are 20 minutes away from Malumpati Cold Spring.
Yes.
Yes.
Oo, Malumpati. Sobrang lamig doon.
Malamig but sulit. If you want to cool down.
At meron silang salbabida na
meron silang activity doon na water tubing. It's fun.
Water tubing,
yun yung binopromote.
Tapos yung, di ba, talon-talon pa, cliff jumping from the tree.
Then meron silang trekking, a little trekking adventure papunta sa Blue Lagoon. After that, mag-water tubing ka na, going back to the main.
Zipline meron din sila, di ba? Sa other side?
Siguro sa ibang.
Sa other side,
Siguro side, yun. And then, there's also the Dumagat River.
Dumagat River.
Dumagat River. That's also nearby Malumpati. Ano din siya? It's a calming area. Pwede ka din doon. Meron kasi silang kawa hot bath doon.
May
so
kawa
if you want to be cooked alive, that's what I tell to my guests. Do you want to be cooked alive?
Wag naman yung mataba Kasi kung mataba yun, ano ka lang sa kayong baboy? Ay, joke lang.
Oo, yun. Because if they wanted to try other activities, interesting things to do, yun, nare-recommend namin. Or if they prefer to drive around, because we also offer motorbike rental and self-drive car. So, meron kami mga partners na nagpaparent ng cars or motorbikes.
Ang ganda.
Yes. Pwede din silang, kung gusto nila na may driver na, nag-offer din kami.
Wow. How about tour guide?
Tour guide, sa ngayon kasi, wala pa dito licensed tour guide.
Pero pwede lang may sasama.
Meron pwedeng sasama. The driver itself, I make sure if kailangan nila ng driver, alam ng driver. Siya yung driver/tour guide.
Nice.
So, some of our guests, lately, they went to Mararison Island. They explore that. And others, they go to Tibiao, Antique, because there's also waterfalls there, river, and Kawa Hot Bath.
Miss Jonah, let's talk about ano Anong normally market mo dito? Place, mga tao, kind of tao, yung ano tawag yun? Geography? Anong tawag yan?
Demographics.
Demographics.
Mostly talaga, 80% of our guests are locals. Locals from the neighboring provinces, from Antique, Aklan, and Iloilo. Sometimes there are also guests who are coming from Bacolod, Negros. No, they traveled going here with their families. And mostly, they traveled with their families. Yan yung talagang number one market namin. Because, we have villas, we have kitchen, we have private beach, the pool. So, everybody has something to do. No? And it's a safe place kasi nasa isang area lang silang lahat. Diba? And lately, we have foreign guests na rin. And
actually, nakita ko, habang kumakain kanina, daming foreign, parang ilang grupo yun sila.
Yeah, and it's direct bookings. Some are from their country straight to Antique. Because before kasi, we expected that our guests will be coming from Boracay and they will do a side trip on Antique. But lately, our guests are booking directly to Antique from airport to here, going back to the airport na rin. Wala na silang
so, kumbaga pa,
ito na talaga yung destination nila.
Kumbaga pa yung Antique Amor is the destination here.
Yes.
Daha, I use da. Yung kumbaga, ito na yung destination. Kasi, yung katulad niyan, diba? I have friends in Boracay. Na gusto ko pag pumunta sila sa Boracay, ang pinuntahan nila yung company ko, yung hotel ko, or yung mismo yung restaurant. Ngayon, pumupunta sa Antique because of Antique Amor.
Yes,
wow.
Yes.
That's a good that's a good news na Antique Amor is really improving at saka naging part ng market. It's good market for Antique.
Yes, so
it's money also for Antique. Diba? The more guests that will be coming here, the more money around.
Yeah, the more nag-generate kami ng revenue for Pandan and Antique.
Yes. Wow. Ganda. So kasi the more, yun nga, it's good din, no? Kung marami pang mag-open ng mga hotels and restaurants around, kasi sabi nga nila, mas madami kayong magtutulungan.
Yes,
ngayon parang mas mahirap sa inyo, mas magastos kasi nga you market your own, kayo lang yung baga pa. Pero at least nakita ko yung ladder doon sa sa market mo, na imagine mo nagbo-book na yung guest from direct to Antique Airport. Ano to?
From Katiklan, from Katiklan to Katiklan Airport.
And then straight na dito. Hindi na papunta doon sa sa Boracay. Kasi pag sinabi na Boracay agad no? Kung magapa, they wanted to experience. And of course, while doing this interview, I can see
ganda ng sunset.
The sunset sobrang
That's why if gusto nila ng katahimikan, if they really want to relax, they want to stay in the beach, they want to watch the sunsets, it's here. Walang crowd.
Yeah.
Wala kang kaaga, walang photo bomber, kumbaga, if you want to do a photo shoot with the sunset on your background.
Totoo 'yon. Wedding is also a destination.
Yes.
We'll talk about events. Travelista ako. Tara na, Coach Arm Lubaton is here in Barangay Tingib, Pandan, Antique, para lamang bisitahin ng isang destinasyon na dito sa Pandan, Antique, kung walang iba kundi yung Antique Amor Bungalows and Villas. So talagang pinupuntahan po ito ng ating mga kababayan, no? Ng karatig kababayan ng Antique, no? Pandan, Antique. So ating alamin kung ano po yung meron sa Antique Amor. And also, we are going to interview the owner and the manager para malaman natin what inspired, no? Bakit tinayo yung Antique Amor. And also, malaman natin kung ano pa yung mga services and other activities na pwede natin gawin sa loob. Once again, samahan niyo po ako. This is Coach RM Lubaton, your travelista ako. Tara na. the sunset is really enjoyable here. Kasi ako, ang pinakagusto ko is yung sunset talaga. I really love it. So, I took time kasi hindi ko na yun makukunan bukas. So, yun. Let's talk about events na ginaganap dito sa sobrang lapad ng lugar ninyo. Sigurado ako, wedding meron dito siguro. Or birthday. Ano ba? Kwentuhan mo naman kami.
The first event really is a wedding, a beach wedding. So, yun yung nag-introduce sa Antique Amor sa mga tao na, we can do events here in Antique Amor. So, we started with a beach wedding, and then team buildings, intimate gatherings,
mga proposal.
Meetings, yes.
Meron na mga proposals din.
Meron din na mga proposals. Sometimes we also organize romantic dinner.
Ay, gusto ko yun. Very sweet, no? So, ganda mag-romantic dinner ito. Tapos yung weather is good.
It's good. May sunset. Tapos, walang madaming taong dumadaan. Yes. Kayo lang dalawa.
Sigurado, yung sagot dito, puro yes.
Yes. Wala. Walang no dyan. Imposible.
Yes. Nice. So, alam mo na, pag may kasal, alam mo na kung sino mag-host. Ay, nag-promote no? Okay. Other than that, ang gusto kong next na may tanong ka demographic, how can for example, I'm from Boracay. So what's the best way to come here in Antique Amor?
Of course, always the best way and the most convenient way is to book a from point-to-point transfer. You can message us directly if you want to arrange a van transfer. Yes, meron yan. If you want hatid sundo, pwede. Or if you want, meron din namang mga taxis from Kalibo or Katiklan Airport. Alam na nila kasi kung saan si Antique Amor.
Antique Amor, wow.
Yeah, it's easy to locate na rin for the drivers.
Parang naging si Antique Amor, naging top of the mind na, sosyalan.
Kasi some of the drivers kasi nakakausap ko, ay ma'am, sa Antique Amor, nakadala ko dyan ng guest.
Wow.
O kuya, alam mo kung paano pumunta doon? Oo ma'am, kasi ilang beses na din akong pumunta doon.
For sure, yung mga nagdadala ng mga tao dito, you also give incentives.
Sometimes.
Wow. So of course, yeah. To encourage people, di ba? At saka,
they help
Yes. Kung may tinulong ka, may makukuha ka. Yun. So we also have friends from Antique, malay mo. Yung mga karatig dito, yung mga tropa natin dyan sa Philippine Air Force Reserve. Ang dami nila dito actually sa Antique. Totoo. Last time we were here, hindi lang ako nakapunta dito kasi nga parang na out of the way sa aming event. Pero Antique one is one of the best kasi nga ang daanan dito straight lang siya. So kapag nagmomotor ka sa mga motorista diyan, pwede kayong pumunta dito kasi nga yung daanan papasok napakaganda. Pagliko mo lang Antique Amor na. Pag dito makarelax kayo, if you have meeting ng mga motor na yun, they can siguro do walk in there and then book na lang sila in advance para sa food hindi ma-hassle kang
pagdating nila ready na.
Yes.
Ready to serve na agad.
And I've heard that you are also preparing a function room.
Yes, kasi we've noticed na rin naman yung demands is getting higher sa mga private events, functions. So now, we are building an air-conditioned function room.
Wow, air-conditioned.
Air-conditioned na kasi before open space kasi yung aming event area. So naawa naman kami sa mga guests namin pag nasa beach tayo and we are in a tropical country, sobrang init. So that's also one thing that we've considered. That's why we've built
yung mga matatanda, hindi na kailangan mainit sa kanila. So talagang
kasi number one namin na importante sa amin yung convenience ng guest. So,
kasi syempre bakit ako pupunta doon? Kasi everything is in there. Di ba? Bakit ka kukuha ng mga packages? Di ba? When you book a hotel or your vacation, bakit kukuha ka ng travel agency? Para hassle-less. It's good to have DIY. Kung hindi ka nagmamadali. Hindi ka na madali, hindi ka naiinis kapag nawawala ka, hindi ka naiinis kapag tinaga ka sa presyo. DIY is very recommended.
And it's more, kumbaga affordable. Kasi wala nang markup.
Yes.
If you do it directly.
Yun lang, ang effect lang doon is convenient. Kasi you will search it on your own. So ako pa rin, I always encourage my followers na yung mga subscribers ng ating Aklan Cable and Paradise Cable na you book, you book, you transfer, dapat may mag-arrange niyan para hindi na kayo ma-hassle. Kasi nagbakasyon ka para mag-relax, hindi para hindi
para ma-stress.
Ma-stress, di ba? Ayun. So talagang kapag nagbabakasyon ka talaga, yun ang pinaka-purpose, mawala yung stress mo kasi galing ka sa work, galing ka sa mga friends mo, family mo minsan gusto mo lang mag-liwaliw, gusto mo lang outlet mo, palabas mo lang yan, 'di ba? Minsan nakikita mo yung sarili mo kapag nag-iisa ka, nakakapag-isip ka. So hassle less is to book a vacation directly to the hotel so that they can arrange it, or if you have a trusted travel agency, di ba? Oo. So,
I'd like to add to that, sa function room, meron na rin kaming packages, according to their budget. So, gano'n na, kasi ang daming nagtatanong paano po yung catering, ma'am, paano yung ganito. So, we have all-in package na rin, venue, the food, the service, andun na din. So, they will just message us sa aming Facebook page, social media pages, or emails, ganyan. We will send them a copy of the packages.
The packages. Wow. So, ayun, baka may mga Boracay viewers tayo dyan na gustong, napakabilis lang yan. I think walang isang oras nandito ka na. Honestly, kasi nga, 10 minutes lang naman ang Nabas 15 minutes, no?
So if you're
Katiklan to Nabas.
Private car is like 40 minutes drive from
Katiklan.
Katiklan going here.
Coming here, yes. Nice. Ayun. So ano pa ba yung gusto kong itanong para kayo, ano yung gusto niyo itanong? I-comment nyo lang para balikan natin.
I'd like to add kasi private or chartered car yung nabanggit ko kanina. If they want to commute din naman, marami namang option.
Like sa ginawa ko, diba?
Like sa ginawa mo kanina, diba?
Yes.
Ang bilis lang din ang biyahe mo.
Yes,
Either from Katiklan ka or Kalibo, sakay ka lang nung van, drop off sa crossing Nabas.
Yeah.
Meron na din mga tricycles doon na pwede mong i-arkila, i-charter.
Totoo.
They already know Antique Amor, Bugalaw, Santilas.
Ako, I also recommend this to yung mga nag-work sa isla ng Boracay. Kapag stress kayo, punta kayo dito kasi alam natin, naikot na natin yung Boracay, isla. So ito bagong naman, pwede kayo parang kayo lang na self-team building, alam mo yon? Kasi yung lugar nila pwede nyo magamit, no? Kasi kung maliit lang ba yun, like 10 lang kayo, grupo kayo. Kasi I think yung villas ninyo, dami ilang villas na pwede magamit.
Yung bungalow namin,
bungalow pala.
Bungalows namin is maximum for adults dyan, pwedeng accommodate.
Kung mag for adults ka, 8 kayo, pwede na.
And we also, if you're a bigger group, na gusto nyo magstay sa isang villa lang, meron din kaming 3-bedroom villa.
Meron?
Yes, meron naman. So
na-cater bala?
Yun yung biggest villa namin. Kaya niyang i-cater 15 people.
Okay. Yeah. Goods naman. Hati-hatian nyo lang yun, no? Kasi hindi
tsaka affordable din naman yung rooms pag i-compute mo per person.
Totoo.
With naman na yun, free breakfast. If ayaw mo naman na mag-order sa restaurant, you want to save more, pwede kang magluto kasi all the units have kitchen naman. Ayun
pala, yung next ko, kasi yun nga, lahat na units ay may kitchen. Saan sila pwedeng mamili ng kanilang pwedeng lutuin, for instance?
Of course, there's the town proper, no? Mga 20 minutes lang from here. And sometimes, kasi dito coastal area kami, this is a fishing area.
Sa morning, sa
morning or minsan afternoon, may mga local fishermen dyan. So
pwede kang bumili.
May mga huli.
Fresh na fresh.
Yes. Kumbaga, from the sea to...
Yeah, to sea to table. Yung kumbaga pa, farm to table sa'yo, sea to table.
Ganon.
Ang ganda talaga ng blend ng sunset.
No?
Ayun. So, let's talk about safety and security, when they come here. How do you consider their safety and security?
So far naman, wala naman kaming cases na experience dito sa Antique Amor.
Yes.
No? And all of our staffs are staying here. So kung merong mga concerns, urgent request, yung mga guests, makikater kasi
nandyan agad.
Nandito agad,
Wow.
oo.
Good.
And we have also CCTV cameras.
Ang dami
public places. So at least that's an added security as well. And also we have generator. So kahit mag-brown out,
yun ang pinaka-importante kasi minsan
meron pa rin silang
comfort. Sa hating gabi mag-brown out, paano, di ba? So at least in-house yung ninyo, mga staff ninyo. Narinig ko rin kanina kay Miss Ernst na sabi niya, yun, because of the reason na makatulong sa staff, although it was started with the rock, looking for a rock. Pero hindi, rock kasi naging rason na ito para makita ang ganda ng lugar. Pero because of the staff talaga, and actually, based on my experience, ang staff po nila very friendly. Hindi naman, well, I'm not always here na sasabihin natin na bias ako kasi nga na-experience ko, they always smile, they offer their services. Yun ang pinaka-importante. Ibig sabihin, the whole Antique naman actually heard naman na napaka peaceful ng area na ito, no? And ayun, wala na akong gusto pang itanong, Miss Jonah, kasi na kumbaga para na-capture na natin lahat kung papapunta pa ito. Siguro, ang last na lang natin, kung may dagdag ka, and i-invite mo yung ating mga tagapanood. No? Ano pa ba? And then, any last word sa kanila before we end this Travelista Ako Tara Na. Miss Jonah.
Okay. Thank you again, RM, for this opportunity, to promote Antique Amor Bungalows and Villas. I would like to invite all of you to come and visit Antique Amor Bungalows and Villas. We are also open for walk-ins. We have a website, www.antiqueamor.com. You can also book there directly. Facebook page, Instagram as well, WhatsApp. You can contact us there. We offer rooms for rent. You can also stay for day tour. Everybody's welcome to dine in. And every Saturday and Sunday, we have a live acoustic session. And happy hour, of course, from 4 o'clock until 6:30 in the evening. So, ayun po yung aming mga bagong offers ngayon dito sa Antique Amor and Villas. And in the near future, we will of course offer more enticing packages and activities.
Unti-unti lang.
Unti-unti. We partnered as well ngayon sa mga locals na rin, service providers, and looking forward also to partner with the Pandan Tourism Council, para mas lalong ma-promote namin yung ganda ng
Antique.
Not just Pandan Town, but of course the whole Antique. Because Antique, hindi lang siya coastal area, We have waterfalls. You can do the trekking, mountain climbing, island hopping as well because there's Mararison Island nearby, Batbatan Island, Yun.
Grabe, parang ambassadors ka na dito ng Antique,
Kasi naman worth it naman kasi yung ganda ng Antique. I am a #1 fan of Antique.
Parang nasanay ka na, Miss Jonah, thank you so much for introducing Antique Amor sa ating Travelista Ako Tara Na na episode natin. Talagang iikot po tayo sa buong Pilipinas, hindi lang sa Boracay, kundi sa buong Pilipinas para po ipakita sa inyo yung ganda kung saan pa po pwedeng pumunta na ma-spend yung pera niyo, dagdag gastos nga, Pero once again, health is wealth. Aanin mo yung maraming pera sa trabaho, magkakasakit ka naman, pupunta lang yung pera mo dyan. So, once again, Miss Jonah, the manager of Antique Amor and Boracay Amor Apartments, dami mo ng minamanage, Ang oras mo talagang,
kailangan i-divide.
Yeah. Okay. So, may last word ka sa ating mga, sa ating mga televiewers and Facebook viewers?
Salamat, and let's explore more of ang ganda ng Pilipinas. So, let's travel more, travelista ako.
Yes,
Yeah.
tara na. Okay.
Tara na.
Piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
Yes.
Yan. Miss Yona, maraming salamat
Thank you,
and thank you
RM.
for accepting the if ma-feature itong Antique Amor.
Yeah, we are lucky na
Yes.
we have you here.
Yes, thank you so much po. Okay, next time magkita-kita tayo ulit. Okay, bye-bye.